Hello everyone, welcome to my channel EduBoost with Mrs. Monica Chama. Today I would like to tell you one important topic of mathematics, that is algebra. So, welcome to the world of algebra. Let us learn algebra with definition. That is, algebra is a branch of mathematics that uses letters and symbols to represent numbers and quantities in formula and equations. For example, x plus 5 equals 12. And to know about its history, the word algebra comes from the Arabic word al-jabr. Its meaning is restoration or reunion of broken parts, and it was introduced by the Persian mathematician al-Khwarizmi in the 9th century. Algebra uses symbols, usually letters like X, Y, or Z, to represent unknown values. Instead of just working with numbers, we now work with expressions, equations, and variables. In this series, we'll explore the building blocks of algebra, that are variables, constants, equations, functions, and much more. Step by step, we'll move from simple expressions to complex problem solving. Let's dive in and start mastering about algebra. First, let's talk about variable. A variable is a symbol, usually a letter like X, Y, or Z, that represents an unknown value. For example, in the equation 2x plus 3, the letter X is a variable. It can be any number. For suppose if X is 4, then 2x plus 3 equals 11. So, variables are like mystery numbers that we need to find in algebra. And the next one is consonant. A consonant is the opposite of variable. It is a fixed number that doesn't change. For example, in the equation 5x plus 7, the number 7 is a consonant. Even if x changes, 7 always remains the same. And the third one is coefficient. A coefficient is a number multiplied with a variable. It tells us how many times the variable is taken. For example, in 4x, the coefficient is 4. That means x, the variable x was taken 4 times. And second example, in minus 7y, the coefficient is negative 7. And in the third example, in 1 by 2x, the coefficient is 1 by 2. That is 1 half time the x is taken. And the fourth one is term. A term is a single part of an expression. Terms are separated by plus or minus signs. For example, in the equation 5x plus 3y minus 7, the terms are 5x, 3y, and minus 7. Each term may include variables, coefficient, or constants, and they are separated by plus and minus. Fifth one is expression. An expression is a mathematical phrase made up of a variables, constants, and operators, but it does not include an equal sign. For example, 2x plus 5 is an expression. It tells us something but doesn't make a complete statement. And now equation. An equation, on the other hand, does include an equal sign. It shows that two expressions are equal. For example, 2x plus 5 equals 11. This equation can be solved to find the value of. And that wraps up the key basic terms in algebra. Understanding these simple concepts in the first step towards mastering more complex topics. So thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe for more updates.